Let's draw a simple scenery with a single storied house here. You can see the graphics of the pitched roof house. Okay, so put the shades on one of the houses, and here just another shading extension. You can see just putting the parts here, and just extension works here. Okay. Awesome. You can see the single storied house looks good. The doors on this side, and another door here, and the window, and you can see the bottom of the base just comes like this one. Okay, and adjacent to this one, let's draw another house which is going to be like this one. Okay, and you can see the pitched roof. Okay, extended parts. And the vertical lines. Awesome. Okay, the another extension for the second story, you can see coming up next layer. Okay, and this is going to be like another piece roof putting on top. Awesome. So with the marker, let's outline the top of the houses. Awesome. So this is going to be the base, and you can see the doors, window, another door here. Okay, and the details of the window, you can see just drawing some boxes. Two houses, and going to put a tree in between them, big branches. Awesome. Few cloud like shapes, and filling up the curved lines with a darker shades for making the tree visibly looking good. Awesome. And this is the ground. Okay, ground for the houses. All right, some grasses we're just putting here. And as you know, if you like, you can put also two taller trees like here. These types of palm tree you can see in the village area. Okay, and put the extensions of the grasses in front of the houses, like putting more dots adding to the previous one. All right, the graphics for the houses looks good, and here we are going to put the branches like this one. Okay, and you can see the tree leaves, multiple lines like the graphics. Okay, actually palm tree all looks like the same, So same types of graphics you can put here, over here. Okay, all right, so simple landscape, simple picture. And if you like to put few birds fly, then just do something like the V. You can add another portion, or you can do something like wave pattern and do like this one, so looks like it's flying. So the different types you can just adjust to it, just putting different types of birds flying. And very simple scenery. You want to put a fence here, so that defines the area, border area of the house. Okay, and sometimes the fence can be irregular because of the bamboo fence here. Okay, and put some plantations on the side. Awesome. So thanks for watching. This is a simple scenario. Do practice at home and see you in our next videos. Have a good day.